Chapter 11: The Elves and the Shoemaker. Learning Objectives. 1. Hard work is the secret to making dreams and wishes come true. 2. We must be thankful for all the help we received from others. Warm up. Help this elf by making a brand new clothes for him as he has to attend a party. Can you design me some new clothes? Color and decorate the new clothes for the elf to wear. Once upon a time, a shoemaker lived with his wife behind his workshop. The shoemaker was a good man and he worked hard, but he was very poor. He did not have enough leather to make shoes. But if he did not make shoes, he and his wife would not have any food to eat. He had only enough leather to make one pair of shoes. He cut out the leather and then left it on the workbench. The shoemaker was very tired, so he thought of making shoes in the morning. He said to his wife, "I shall make the shoes tomorrow." The next morning, he found a pair of nicely finished shoes in his workbench. The shoemaker's wife was amazed to see such a masterpiece. "I have never seen such a well-finished pair of shoes," said the shoemaker's wife. A customer entered the store the same day, and the shoes fit him so well that he was ready to pay more than normal for them. The struggling shoemaker purchased enough leather to produce 2 additional pairs with the money. He started in the evening, early tonight, so that he could finish the task and start the next day. The task at hand was already completed. Soon, customers arrived and paid him handsomely for his shoes, allowing him to purchase enough leather to make 4 additional pairs. He stopped working again overnight and discovered it was completed in the morning as before. So it went on for some time. What was got ready in the morning was always done by daybreak, and the shoemaker soon became thriving and well off. One evening during Christmas time, the shoemaker and his wife were conversing over the fire. He told his wife, "I should like to sit up and watch tonight so that we may see who it is that comes and performs my work for me." The wife felt it was a good idea, so they lit a candle, crept into a room's corner and crouched behind a curtain to observe what would happen. As soon as it was midnight, there came 2 little elves, and they sat upon the shoemaker's bench, took up all the work that was cut out, and began to ply with their little fingers, stitching and wrapping and tapping away at such a rate that the shoemaker was all delighted and could not take his eyes off them. When the shoes were ready, they kept them neatly at the shoemaker's workbench, and then they bustled away quickly as lightning. The next day the wife said to the shoemaker, "These tiny elves have made us wealthy, and we need to be thankful to them and do them a nice turn if we can." Which she said, "Since they have nothing on their backs to protect against the cold, I feel awful seeing them rush around in such an unpleasant manner. I'll tell you what, you make each of them a small pair of shoes, and I'll make them each a shirt, jacket, hat, and pair of pants." "What a fantastic idea!" the shoemaker replied. The shoemaker got to work along with his wife. 2 little pairs of shoes were made by the shoemaker. His wife created 2 little hats, 2 jackets, shirts, and pants. When everything was prepared, they placed them on the bench. The shoemaker and his wife then hid and waited. The workshop door creaked open around 12 o'clock. When the 2 elves entered, they climbed up onto the workbench. The elves found small clothing and shoes on the bench in a place of leather pieces. They put on their new garments right away. How delighted they were! They were as cheerful as they could be as they danced, played, and jumped around. The shoemaker and his wife never saw them again, but everything went well with them from that time forward as long as they lived. Find meaning. Masterpiece, an excellent work of art, willingly by choice. Creaked, made a harsh moving sound. Workbench, a long heavy table that is used for working with tools. Rushed, walked with great speed, about, here, around. Cross-curricular connect, critical thinking. Let's play a game. Here, a grid is given for you to solve. Let's see how smart you are. Best of luck! Shoes, clothes, night, morning, eve, ladies, man, elves, wife, toffet, polished, cobbler, stitched, handsome, leather. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. Have you ever gotten any gift on the Christmas? Did you like it? Did Santa make you happy? Share your answer with your classmates. Learning by doing. Draw a shoe in a drawing sheet and make it beautiful. Also write 5 sentences on why I made a shoe. Logical thinking. Imagine if you were the shoemaker, how would you react? What would you feel and act if someone helped you in the same way elves helped the shoemaker in the story? Write your answers in your notebook. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. A. What did the shoemaker do after cutting the leather? Answer. The shoemaker cut out the leather and then left it on the workbench. B. How did the shoemaker feel when he saw the shoes? Answer. The shoemaker and his wife were extremely amazed to see the pair of nicely finished shoes on his workbench. C. What did the shoemaker want to find out? Answer. The shoemaker wanted to find out who was performing his work for him. D. Who bought the shoes and why at what price? The answer is the customer entered the shoe store that day and paid more than normal for the pair of shoes. Find their meanings. A. Leather. Material used to make shoes. B. Shoemaker. The person who makes the shoe. C. Workbench. Table with tools used to make the shoe. D. Brilliant. Intelligent. E. Merrily. Happily. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. The shoemaker and his wife hide. B. At midnight they see 2 little elves. C. They work in the shop all night. D. The shoemaker and his wife know them. E. Now we watch who helps us, says the shoemaker. F. But what can we do for them, say his wife. G. Let's make some clothes for them. Take the correct option. 1. What had the leather been made into? 1. Handbag. 2. Shoes. 3. Coat. 2. Shoes. 2. The rich man thought the shoes were 1. Colorful. 2. Amazing. 3. Beautiful. 4. Fabulous. Answer. Amazing. 3. When did the shoemaker cut the leather? 1. Night. 2. Morning. 3. Lunchtime. 4. Afternoon. Answer. 4. Afternoon. 4. What kind of a lady came to the shop? 1. Beautiful lady. 2. Rich lady. 3. Proud lady. 4. Poor lady. Answer. Rich lady. Match the following. Match the pictures with the sentences. I am very tired. The shoemaker is sleeping. Who made these beautiful shoes? The shoemaker is selling shoes. The elves are working. Conceptual understanding. Tell your story. On the basis of your reading, sequence the event. Communication, writing skills. Now, from that day to this, those two little elves have helped the shoemaker and his wife to make beautiful shoes. In return, the shoemaker and his wife have made beautiful clothes for little elves. And the shoemaker and his wife and the two little elves all lived happily ever after. What lesson can you learn from the story? Reading skills. Write a poem on your favorite shoe. You should mention its color and design. Listening and speaking skills. Your teacher will recite a story. She will use some special words. After completing, she will also ask some questions. Listen carefully and answer the question when your turn comes. Let's learn spellings. The shoemaker made shoes for the elves. The words shoes and shoemaker begin with the sound that SH make.